Transform your living room with the Xiaomi QLED TV FX Pro 55 inches. Enjoy cinematic 4K QLED picture quality, rich audio, and endless content with Fire TV. It's smart, stylish, and ready to redefine your home entertainment experience. 2. Xiaomi QLED TV FX Pro 43 2025 Fantastic QLED 3 all-screen display premium metal bezel-less design. 4. Fire TV access over 12,000 apps on the Fire TV App Store. 5. Orange Plus optimizes every frame with dynamic metadata for fantastic Q true to life visuals. 6. Fantastic QLED advanced quantum technology, stunning colors, incredible contrast. 7. Filmmaker mode turns off the post-processing effects, preserving the original colors and contrast for an authentic cinematic experience. Filmmaker mode 8, 4K ultra-high definition with 4 times the details of FHD resolution. Watch every scene in crystal clear clarity. Dokuzunchu say it, Alexa will play it. Quickly find, launch, and control content with your voice. Powered by Alexa Amazon Prime. Watch now Barbie Alexa, show me funny movies of Shah Rukh Khan. 9. Cinematic audio 30-watt box speakers, DM Dolby Audio DTS Studs Virtual 10. Wide color gamut, 1.07 billion colors, 94% D, CIP3, connectivity, optical 3.5mm earphone, jack AV input, 1.3x, HDMI, 1 EARC, USB 2, X USB 2.0, network antenna X to 11.32 gigabytes, internal storage. Download all your favorite apps now. Fire TV, all your entertainment in one place. Xiaomi QLED TV FX Pro 55 inches is priced at 39,999 rupees in India. This price has been listed by Xiaomi on their official website mi.com and various tech news outlets and e-commerce platforms. Some retailers may also offer promotions or bank discounts, which could reduce the actual price. For instance, a common launch offer mentioned includes a 2,000 rupee cashback on HDFC Bank EMI transactions, potentially bringing the price down to 37,999 rupees. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.